Hi everyone, this is Kathie in Dunedin, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I have some cups. That one has a bit of water. I have black, white and gold, and I have a strainer there, and I am going to do a dirty cup and then pour it in there, and hopefully first in last out. Right, no, white. Have to remember to do this back to front. Actually a bit more so that the colours are more defined. A little bit of black, mostly white and gold, simply because I have a black background, and I can get in with a little bit of each in. There and there, and then some black to start it off. Okay, I've got to keep these right out of the way because I have the canvas on my Susan. I'm going to spin, hoping to get something rather lovely. There is no silicone in these colours, however, I have Floetrol in the pouring medium, and that quite often reacts with the white. Okay, I might put a bit of gold in on there. Okay, so just give it a second or three. I'm going to start to come around. Okay, I think I can bring it there. If I spin it too hard, I'm going to get paint all over my floor, but I want it over the edges here as well, so a bit more. Come on, one last edge, look. That might have done it just enough. Okay, I'm liking this. This is really cool. So let's see how we go with our centre. Ah. Now, see the black? That's cool. I'll show you a little trick that I saw from Erica on Erica's art. God bless you. Rest in peace, Erica. You're going to be missed every day, but hey, sympathy to her family and close friends. She just held the centre down like that. Not enough to, whack a hole in your canvas, and then the paints come forward or down, whichever. And I do think I'd like a little bit of a black hole there. Yeah, see, I'm going to leave that, but it's not nearly as big as what it was. So, I like this a lot, but see if I can get a cloth. Right, I have some towel here, and just bring these flowers around a little bit. Getting some cells, thought I would. The Floetrol works very nicely with white. Don't know that there's any sense doing these, but I'll do them anyway. Okay, so there's me. It's a shame they weren't all like this, but hey, you know, who can complain about that? I think it's really pretty. So what I'm going to do is give it a little torch, because I'm sure there's air bubbles. Ah, cells galore, look at that, right when you didn't want them. Okay, that's okay. I think that's really, really pretty. Actually, what's it look like from that angle? Oops! Very good, Susan. Don't know which way I like it the best, so we'll just leave it the way it was. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down to take a look, and I really like that. That's a pretty as. Oops. Wrong way, that way. So there we go. And I think it's lovely. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. I think I might do another one of these, not today but another time, and I won't put any Floetrol in the pouring medium. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And please give this one the thumbs up. It does help YouTube with their algorithms to place our videos, and so the more thumbs up, the better the placement, which helps me. Thank you very much and for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.